Brushing your teeth it is vital part of your oral health, but studies reveal that 90% of the people are brushing their teeth wrongly. Maybe you are one of the people that are brushing their teeth wrongly. So watching this video it is really vital for you, because in this video I'm going to share with you 10 mistakes people make while brushing their teeth. So don't forget, if it's the first time to watch our video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click notification bell so that you won't miss out in our upcoming educative videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educative YouTube channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started into the video. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 mistakes people make while brushing their teeth. So that is why watching this video till the end, it will be helpful for you, because we are going to share tips about how to take care of your tooth and how to prevent oral health issues. Okay, so let's jump into the video. The number one is brushing too hard. This is one of the most common mistakes people make while brushing their teeth, because they think that if they didn't brush their teeth too hard, they won't be able to remove any kind of debris and bacteria in their mouths. So this is wrong. If you are brushing your teeth too hard, you are going to erode your enamel and make your tooth too sensitive. So that is why you have to avoid brushing your tooth too hard. Secondly, it is using a too hard soft brush. It is not the firmness of your toothbrush that cleans your tooth. What many people don't actually know, that it is the motion of your toothbrush that cleans your tooth. Using a toothbrush that is too hard, it can result into the damage of your enamel and cause bleeding into your gum. So that is why you have to avoid using a toothbrush that is too hard. Third mistake which people make while brushing their teeth is not changing their toothbrush often. Your toothbrush should be changed at 3 months as recommended by the dentist. Using a toothbrush above 3 months is unhygienic. It can pose you to a lot of various oral issues like gingivitis, bad breath, and so on. That is why you shall be changing your toothbrush 3 times in a year as recommended by the dentist. The number 4 is using a wrong toothpaste. There is various manufacturers that are claiming that you need to buy their product when it comes to toothpaste, because it is effective in preventing of infections and it can whiten your tooth in a short period of time. So don't buy any kind of this toothpaste, because it contains an abrasive chemicals that can damage your tooth. So you have to be careful when you are trying to buy a toothpaste. The number 5 is not brushing your tongue. Your tongue is a receptacle for the germs, and the study revealed that it contains a high number of the bacteria than the people of Canada and the UK combined. And this bacteria on your tongue, it can cause a bad breath, inflammation of the gums, and the bleeding of your gum. So that is why you shall be brushing your teeth during a tooth brushing. There are various toothpastes that come with a tongue scraper. So when you are brushing your tooth, make sure you brush your tongue, because it can reduce the high number of the bacteria on your tongue. And this can prevent you from various oral health issues like a bad breath and so on. The number 6 is not brushing long enough. There are so many people that end with their brushing their tooth just in a short period of time. So you have to take it easy, my guy, and brush your tooth for 2 minutes as recommended by the dentist to prevent infection in your mouth. The number 7 is brushing your tooth in a same pattern for every time. So if you are brushing your tooth from in to out, from in to out, from in to out, so you are brushing your tooth wrongly. So watch this video. That is how you're supposed to brush your tooth as recommended by the dentist and WHO. If you are always brushing your tooth from in to out, so that means for all the while you are brushing your tooth wrongly. So you have to avoid brushing your tooth this way. So that is how you're supposed to brush your tooth as recommended by the WHO. Brushing your tooth as recommended by the WHO, it can help to remove the debris in your mouth, and it can prevent you from various oral health issues like a bad breath and so on. The number 8 is brushing the wrong area of your tooth. As an adult, the most important part of your mouth to be brushed is along your gum line in between your tooth and the back of your tooth. The brushing shall be done 45-degree angle along your gum line. The number 9 is a not flossing. This is a not part of a brushing mistake, but it is a part of your oral hygiene, because when you are brushing, the brush can't remove all the debris in your mouth, and if you are flossing, so it can help you to remove all the debris in your mouth, and this can prevent you from various oral health issues. If you learned something new and you found this video educative and helpful, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click notification bell and check our previous videos and join us through our WhatsApp number so that you can get our WhatsApp daily status order. Have a nice time. See you in the next video. Bye.